using these real drums. This acoustic kit. I'm gonna make an acoustic slap on this MPC Live 2. I'm gonna just see what I could do with 4 tracks. I already got my drums, and we're gonna see what we could do with 4 tracks. A 4-track slap. Let's call it a 4-track slap. You ever made a 4-track slap? Huh? You ever made a 4-track slap? Well, we about to make a 4-track slap. You know, I'm in the kitchen. I hope you in the kitchen. If you haven't been in the kitchen, it's November now. It's November now. What you doing, bro? It's time to get in the kitchen. It's time to stop inspecting your MPC. Oh, I wish it sounded like this. I wish it sounded like that. I need to have new sounds everywhere. I need new sounds. Get in the kitchen and cook with what you got. Let's go. What's going on, brother? Actually, what's going on, guys? It's your brother, Big OTG, Brother OTG. The OTG is for overtime grind. Hardly seen, but I'm always around. Charles Paris, that's 1 R. Paris, that's me, Charles Paris. CharlesParisMusic.com. You can find out everything you need to find out. Right now, I'm in the kitchen. I got Iona, Aino, whatever you want to call it. I got that. You know, the rolling look-alike synth. You know, the rolling sound-alike synth. We got that. I got, what is that? I got Fabric. I got an acoustic drum kit that came from my OTG stimulus package. I'm still pushing that to the end of the year, and then I'm taking it all down, bro, and we restructuring the whole store, new prices, new everything, so get it while it's cheap. And we probably gonna add some bass, and we're gonna get it popping, man. Working on the light, working on the views, working on stuff. Right now, I'm in the kitchen. Let's get in the kitchen, let's cook it up. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment. I don't really have nothing else to say to you guys other than my MPC Live 2 is good enough. I told you all those other guys who had those other MPCs was going to come back to the Live 2 side of things because it's the best. I told you guys that them guys ain't even know how to use the Live 3 yet. They was just pushing it to you. And so all my MPC Live 2 family, we still here. We still cooking on our discontinued Live 2 Generation 1. And man, it's like our MPC 60 right now. It's like our MPC 2000 XL right here. This like your MPC 1000. This could be your vintage machine that you become the J Dilla of. Whoa. Gotta put some time in that kitchen. Get in the gym and start practicing. Who knows? It could be you, the MPC Live 2 legend. Check out that stimulus pack down in the description. One thing I can tell you guys is I don't think you use your Q links enough. I don't think you use your Q links enough. I think you find the sound and you just say, hey, that sound sucks. This plugin sucks. I went through all the presets and it sucks. I think that's what you guys do. But guess what? You know those knobs right there? They support multiple movements. I'm moving 3 knobs at the same time with 2 hands. Must be magic. Let's go through here, grab us a bass line. Let's throw a bass line on here real quick. You know, you want to get that Sub Factory. All else fails, you can go to Sub Factory, get you a whamming bass line that's already ready though, like a Little Caesars pizza. Sometimes you need to cook, sometimes you need to chef it up. For me personally, I have about 10 patches in Sub Factory that I feel like are already ready for the type of music that I make. And I hop right in there with them. I would like to show you guys more sampling, but they love to flag my channel. So can't do that. But I just started my podcast. I don't know if you guys want to listen to the podcast. You know, over here on this side of things, I play it way safer. You get more jokes, less cursing, less everything, less cultural stuff. You know, on the podcast, you're really going to get that Philly OTG outside in the mix. You get a whole different side of your brother on the podcast. But I'm saying that to say, the podcast is live. Episode 1, Let Me Cook. Episode 2, Extortion, where I talk about some things going on with Diddy and the timeline and the algorithm and stuff like that. Those are up. You could get those from my Twitter at 365 Charles Paris or at OTG Daily. Salute to my brother Taxstone. If y'all know who he is, he supported the first episode, and we in support of creating this podcast and other ventures that we got coming in 2026. I've been calling my friends, guys. So all you guys who've been looking at my channel and, oh, I don't like the way it looks, and I don't like it the way this is, and I don't like the way that is, and is he really a producer, and we don't ever see him. I've been calling my friends. And my friends are some guys. They're some guys. Right now, you know, me and Taxstone have some things coming. You know, me and working on some stuff with Govan Hernandez, working on some stuff with him, if you know him. You know, I know some real life people out here, man. So we got some things coming in 2026 that's going to impact in a way that you guys didn't know. You've been sitting next to a sleeper this whole time. You didn't even know. Yep, it's real. Right now, I'm just getting the idea of what I want to do with my simple arrangement on my 4-track beat. So there are a lot of different ways that you can make beats on the MPC, or you could do your song, you can arrange it. For me personally, I like to do the one sequence method. That's because I make a lot of my beats from scratch. Like this beat, I made all of the drums. I didn't make the drums, but you know, I played the drum pattern, so there's no drum loops. This is all stuff that I created with MIDI with the drum kit. You saw me play the piano. You saw me play the bass. You saw me add the synthesizer. So in this method, all I need is one long-ass loop. You know what I mean? And in my mind, I already start arranging. I know where to turn hi-hats off and turn kicks off and snares off. And we could try different methodologies of how we do things. So for me, when I'm making from scratch, this method is the best method. Now, if I'm making something that has samples, or I'm making a sample type beat or specific like a trap beat or something, I might use song mode to structure it. After I go into song mode and get the structure, I come back through with the one sequence method because I export it to a sequence. And then if I want to record vocals or record over or record more sounds into my arrangement, that's where I use the arrangement window to go in and add sounds over the whole beat. You could utilize the arrangement window. You could utilize clip launch. I think the thing that I'm noticing with the clip launch is that might be cool if you have if you're using like drum loops or certain things. I have the Akai Force, so I'm super familiar with the clip launch. But clip launch on the Live 3, the Live 2, or on the MPC 1, the real value that it brings is that now you're able to play a 16-bar loop in a 4-bar sequence, an 8-bar loop in a 4 or a 2-bar sequence. You are able to create a extended pattern and mix and match pattern lengths, so that way you can come up with some pretty interesting arrangements. I think that's the best way to implement it into your workflow on the MPC Live 2. This video, I'm just talking to y'all, updating y'all. It's been a couple days, it's been a week or so. I had the podcast to record. I'm mixing an album. I'm helping one of my homies who got shot, who's in a wheelchair now. Helping him get his album done and recorded. I got a lot of other things going on, producing a lot of other things outside of just making beats. But I wanted to get in the kitchen, make sure you support that Teamsters Week, going full-fledged with the union starting January 1. It's a guild right now. I will put up a video soon explaining what the goal is. But right now, everything is live. And I just wanted to hop in, get in the kitchen, show y'all I'm still cooking up. We could get in real quick with a drum loop, with utilizing our automation, using our basic ideas that we learned this year. If you've been following the channel, if you subscribe, if you got the OTG STEMI pack, we don't need a million sounds. We don't need a million tracks. We can get it done with 4 tracks. And with our automation, knowing how to utilize our automation, we could really make something that's really dope, really quick on our discontinued Generation 1 Live 2. You know what I mean? And they can't tell it's a Live 2 beat. They don't know if it's a Live 3 beat, a Live 2 beat, a this or that beat, a Sky Zoo beat, a flip-flop beat. They don't know how you make this joint. So get on your machine and make the joints. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment. I miss you guys. I'm going to tap in with you guys very soon. It's your brother, Big OTG. Check out the OTG Stimulus Pack. When I get focused on the store, a lot of things are going to change. Take advantage while it's still there. And we close to 15K subs. We are on the way. Thank you.